Garfield? Where is he? Where'd he go, Garth? Garth, who is it? Who's it? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Where'd he go?
We fooled him, didn't we? Yeah.
Hey! He got something. Hey, he got one of the cards. He was bad. He was. He stole a card.
He's getting a fun.
Yeah.
What's that?
That's just a little lip on his gums.
Ooh. Where's your loot? Did you bring a loot bag?
No, he just makes that noise.
Did you bring a loot bag? Did you?
Did
you get toys?
Raspberries.
Did you?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
He's getting himself all excited now.
Yeah.
Hey.
He is too funny.
He is.
Isn't he? He was giggling louder than that, remember? He was like,
Oh.
yeah!
He was absolutely laughing.
How was
He
it?
was like, yeah!
Sounds like the Wicked Witch.
Ooh, did you hear what he said?
What?
He knows what turns y'all on.
Yep.
Jim, let me sit there. Now we need a toy. One of Garth's toys. Sit. Sit. Look at me, look at you guys. Look at you laughing. I need one of his toys to make him work. I'm gonna see if he scared him. Sit, Garth. Where's
We need
his
a
popcorn?
toy.
Oh, his popcorn's right here.
The bone was right here somewhere.
I can't reach it. Garth, what's this? Speak. 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 You want it? What? What do you want? Wow. Speak.
Yeah.
Garth, settle down.
I'm getting on.
We're trying to.
Yeah, but why run him?
Ooh.
Garth, get it.
Hey. Oh.
He won't bark.
It's not working.
Yeah, he won't bark.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
And then he laughs like, yeah, it's
Anthony! Speak. Speak. You want it? You want it? Here, speak. 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 What? Oh, you're not getting it.
Garth's not playing. Look at that.
Is he? He's not playing with us. Boom. Get out of here.
Such a monkey. He is such a monkey.
He is.
Say Merry Christmas.
Look at that outfit. Aren't you a regular stud?
Look at me.
One of Santa Elves, aren't you?
You sit down.
Look at that head.
such a silly boy.
He matches your skirt.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty close.
Yeah, do you want to hand me one wine glass?
Sure.
The one closest to you.
Okay. I can do that. Okay. Where's Sandy Claus?
That's you.
Hello. What are we doing? You haven't gone to sleep in my arms yet.
Yeah.
Who wants what?
Well, let's give them all one of those. Or ours.
Perfect. This and this. Exactly what I wanted. I love it.
That is neat.
Oh.
All you need is a little purple
I'll go in
t-shirt.
style.
Yeah. You'll have to come down now and get a purple t-shirt.
Yeah, really.
To work out in.
That's nice. Really, really nice.
Beautiful.
I love the color.
Of course, look at you. Yeah,
Yeah. I know.
That's perfect.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow. Yeah.
There's no game with the core system, but I figure between Joe's and Mike's collection,
We'll be playing for a long time.
Thank you very much.
What's the core system? What's
And
that?
West Coast Video, I
Just
think,
the
rents
system.
them.
The system
So-
and one controller. Cool.
You just don't get the game with it.